Remember when we knew, staying up all night, thinking.
Alam ko naman na hindi ako perfectong ate sa inyo. Madami akong pagkukulang sa inyong dalawa, pero kahit gano'n, sana alam nyo na mahal ko kayo at lahat ginagawa ko para lang kahit pa paano matigay ko yung mga gusto nyo.
Thinking about it now, don't know where I've been. Driving all the time, down every dead end, lighting up the dark.
Nagpapaligo, nagpapakain dati. Tuwing nasa nagawa sila mama. Ako yung nag-ating sundo sa inyo pag uwi ko galing school. Naalala ko pa rin noon ang araw sa high school. Takot kasi ako, baka maasar ka. May padali mong pulis sa'yo. Kasi dati, ano siya eh, hindi siya palaban eh. Kaya tinuturuan ko siya lalong lumaban.
Keep counting all the paper stars.
Achievements na ina-expect nila. Nandito pa rin kami kasi alam namin kaya mo at kaya mo bumawi.
Parang dati lang ikaw pa yung nagtitimpla ng kape natin lahat na sobrang tamis o di kaya sobrang tapang nung nasa bahay pa kayo pag nagbabakasyon tayo.
Stars overhead, turn my...
Don't get tired clapping for others kasi one day ikaw din ang kabalakbakan nila. Always remember that I am so proud of you. Be happy always. Happy 18th birthday. I love you. So ayun, ang bilis ng panahon. Parang So alam mo naman na nandito lang din ako para sa'yo.
Something to hold on to. I couldn't believe it. I couldn't see it for someone to see me like you.
Basta tapusin mo lang yung pag-aaral mo kasi ang pag-aaral ngayon yan, susiyan ng tagumpay.
Ayun na naman, more chika and more bonding pa tayo.
Wasn't over my head, would have run, but instead you were watching.
At least you made your special day filled with love, laughter, and unforgettable moments.
Proud of you for surviving another year. I know mahirap. Always remember na andito lang siya tayo.
When there's no one on my shoulder and the nights are getting colder and I need someone to help me get through. There's a power deep inside me, I can feel it rise up in me, and I find the strength to carry on through. When the struggle feels impossible.
Para mas maging independent woman tayo. Ayun, yun lang. Gusto ko lang i-enjoy mo kayong araw na to kasi araw mo to eh.
'Cause I got confidence, my strength is permanent. 'Cause I am fearless, fearless, fearless. 'Cause I feel confidence, my power's limitless.
Wish ko na lang mag-aral nila ng mabuti. May your day be filled with unforgettable moments, laughter and love. May your future be filled with success, happiness, and all the amazing things you do. Again, happy birthday. I love you. I hope we can still make more memories together and be best friends forever.
Looking back at the good times before it all went down, climbed right up on the hillside, a different view of my life. You left me running on and on.
Andito kami palagi para sa'yo. Susuportahan ka namin sa lahat ng gusto mo. Kapag hindi mo na maintindihan ang lahat, kapag nagulo natin hindi mo na alam, tumakbo ka lang sa akin. Dahil nakatim ako sa kartehan, kabalitaan at sa...
But I know you're my ability. Yeah,
Tama na yung long messages kanina. Happy birthday.
Tapos pinapasabi ni Tito Mac, happy birthday.
But I know you are my liability. Yeah, I know you are my liability. Oh, what a hopeless case we could be.
Happy birthday, Audrey. More kopyahan sa PR.
Hindi, unexpected sa akin na magiging kaibigan kita since grade 10. So, happy birthday. Stay pretty and healthy.
Bago yung lahat maraming
We live in cities you'll never see on screen. Not very pretty, but we sure know how to love.
Gusto niyo yung pag-aaral. Kasi hindi habang buhay kasama niyo kami ni Mama. Ayaw namin dumating yung point na pag wala na kami, mahihirapan kayo. Gusto namin okay kayo pag wala na kami. Yan lang na mahal ka namin. Lalo ako, mahal ko kayo. Kahit hindi kaya, kahit sakit na. Pero kayo, hindi ko kayo tatanggura. Dahil kayo lang. Mahal naman kita na I love you. Happy birthday.